Alright, here we go. The start of a new project. So we'll start with a walk around. This is clean up some of this shit. This is my dad's 71 SS Monte Carlo 454. Well, needless to say, it's running a little rich, needs some work. I got it here because you gotta fix some stuff on it. And I'll make a series of videos yet again. And put you down for a second. Well, good. But it's in really good shape. It is matching numbers, and but it's got ported polished heads on it. All that'll brocked out Linati cam. Nothing huge. It's got roller rockers on it. I put AC on it for them last year. Just put a new proportioning valve and put a new brake booster in it for them. It's a pretty good car. Turbo 400. It's got a massive shift kit in it. Thing screams. The reason it's here is I gotta do this. I've got inside here all that ball rolled up. That's the new vinyl top. I'm gonna try and get Pete's guys from SWRNC to do the top after I fix this. This car was painted in 1988. It was painted in lacquer. So my plan is, now that I'm going back into stuff with base coat, clear coat, is to have to paint as little as possible. This whole filler panel right here is going to have to be refinished, but you're not really going to notice it. I'm not going to paint the deck lid. Let's see how the repair goes. I'm going to try not to clear the whole quarter. What I'm going to try and do is, if I can keep this small and I can just roll the edge, then I'll just do a little blend right there, just because the rest of the car is in such good shape and we're not at the point where we want to repaint the whole car. I'm going to pull the vinyl top off. I'm going to strip it to bare metal, and I'm going to paint the roof in black Rust-Oleum. I'm going to use Rust Shield by Sim. I'll paint it gloss black. And just get a nice clean surface, so the people who do the vinyl top have something to go off of here, something nice to put the top over. But that's it. You can see all the bubbles. So I'm about to find out what this is all about. I'll make a series of videos doing this, stripping the roof. I'm gonna bag the whole car, and after I grind this stuff, I'll sandblast the pits. Let's see if I got any holes. So fucking family, friends, buddy deals, they suck. Signing off.